Your HVAC contains a drip pan, which collects condensation that builds up and eventually flows out the primary drain line to the outside of your home. The drain line will have a port called the cleanout, though it may look slightly different. In this case, we also have an overflow. If you have this on your system, remove the float switch cap and pour about half a cup of bleach down the pipe. The bleach will flow into the drip pan and then exit your house through the drain line. You do not want to use vinegar for this step because your drip pan may be made of aluminum, and the acidity in the vinegar will cause corrosion. Next, pour about 1 or 2 cups of water to clear the bleach out of the system. You can replace the float switch cap now, but remember, if your overflow pipe can move and be adjusted, you'll need to lift it so that the water clears all the way out. But remember to reposition it downward as shown so that it can function properly. If you do not have the overflow on your HVAC, just pour distilled vinegar down the cleanout. Remember, that's the port on your primary drain line. We are using vinegar in this case because it's not going to corrode the PVC pipe. You can pour about half a cup, but your estimation doesn't have to be perfect. If you'd like to purchase the easy pour nozzle we're using, you can find a link to it in the description. For consistent maintenance, we recommend performing an HVAC cleanout every time you change your air filter. And that's how it's done.